Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past question 29. In photoelectric effects, the number of electrons emitted per second from a metallic surface is proportional to the A. Intensity of the incident radiation, B. Frequency of the incident radiation, C. Energy of the incident radiation, and D. Work function of the metal. Now, in a photoelectric effect, when light rays or light falls on a metallic surface electrons are emitted. Now these emitted electrons are what we call we call them the photoelectrons. These electrons that are emitted are called the photoelectrons. Now the maximum kinetic energy of these emitted electrons, the maximum kinetic energy, that is the maximum Ke of the emitted electrons or the photoelectrons, is independent of the intensity of the incident radiation. That is, it do not depend on the intensity of the incident radiation. So therefore making option A invalid. So it is independent, it does not depend on the intensity of the incident radiation, but is proportional to the frequency. It is proportional to either the frequency or wavelength of this radiation or the incident light. So therefore the photoelectric effect, the number of electrons emitted per second, which is the energy of these electrons from a metallic surface, is proportional to the frequency. It's proportional to the frequency or to the wavelength of this incident light. And from the option here, frequency of the incident radiation is given to us, so we pick it as our answer because it is proportional to either the frequency or the wavelength. And since the frequency is given to us, we pick frequency as our answer. So the answer to this question is option B. It do not depend on the intensity at all. So the answer is option B, the frequency of the incident radiation. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.